Welcome to Investing to Travel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this fourth and last video in my Bali series, we will be going to visit two nature sites. One is a rice field and the second is a waterfall. Let's go! The first place that we will visit is the Tegallalang Rice Terraces. Tegallalang Rice Terraces is located at the Tegallalang district just north of the Ubud district of Bali. It is one of the best landmarks of Bali because of its famous steppe rice fields along the slopes of the mountain. There are also swings and places to take pictures here where you can take your Instagram photos. Here are some of the shots that I took of this place. The next place that we will visit is the Goa Raja Waterfalls. Goa Raja Waterfalls is located at the Bangli district of Bali. It is one of the famous waterfalls here. There is also a short hike going to the said waterfalls, so if you're going, be prepared. And also, bring some swimming clothes if you're planning to go there, as you will get wet if you plan to enter the cave to see the entire waterfalls. Unfortunately for us, we didn't, so we just stayed outside the entrance of the cave and only saw a part of the said waterfalls. But it is still worth the visit though. So that concludes our trip here in this wonderful Indonesian island of Bali. There are also other places that we visited here in Bali but did not include in this travel series, as we think that they are either tourist traps or too expensive to justify doing it. Hope you enjoyed watching the videos here in my Bali series. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you will not miss out on my future investment and travel series. Hope to see you again on our next adventures. Ciao!